start the linked list merge sort full explanation of the code. So firstly we can create the class of the linked list merge sort, and then we can create the node class which stores the data and the next node, and the next node is also having the null. Firstly, the data is also uh, having the data which is represented into the constructor, and then we can create the head node which is the static, and it is also for public, is also public for all of the for all of the methods. And then we can create the merge, and then we can get the merge sort method where the node head is also represented, and when the head is null, and then here the base case is taken and the head is null and the next of head is null, so that we can return the head. When the and here we can take a mid node which stores the data of the mid finding mid method, finding mid method. Data is stored into the node mid. Here you can see the finding node method which defines by the slow, which will be solved by the slow and fast approaches. Here you can taking a slow which stores the head data, and fast stores the head dot next, and then when the fast is not equals to null, the fast is not equals to null, so that the fast is not equal to null, and then and fast का next is also not equals to null, so that the slow of next is equals to slow is equals to slow of next, and fast equals to fast of next, and then we can return the slow, so that from this thing we from so that this is the whole code of the mid finding mid. And then this finding mid is also into the mid node which stores the mid, which stores into the mid node, and node of mid is stores the finding mid data, and then we can create the left head and right head, left head not left node which stores the head data, and node which stores the right, which is a node which of right which stores the mid next. मतलब ये कहना चाहते हैं इसके अंदर कि जो लेफ्ट है, लेफ्ट का नोड है, हमने लोड क्रिएट करा एक लेफ्ट जिसमें हेड का स्टोर कर रहा है डाटा लेफ्ट, और राइट के नोड के अंदर मिड का नेक्स्ट स्टोर कर रहा है. And here you can see also the mid next is equals to null, when mid of next is equals to null, so that the left of merge left and right of merge right. Here you can take the node of left head and node of right head, and here you also taking the left head, and here you also taking the right head. So it stores the left data, and it is also store the right data. Why to calling the left and right by the merge sort method, and this sort method is also called by to putting the value of the left and right, and then it is calling into the merge which will merge the all of the linked list to linked list, and then the result is printed. And here in this merge is this merge method is also called, so that this merge method uh, is also created. So merge method, here you can see public static node merge which stores the first and second head. This is the first head and second head. You can not you can doesn't and doesn't confused into the first and second. It is the only the first head and second head. So you can see when the first head is null, and then you can print the second. The second is null, so that you can print it as first. And then the new node is also created where stores the -1 where data, and the temp is also created a node which stores the new node data. And then first is null and the second is also null, so where and the first is less than second, so the temp of next is equals to uh, first, and the temp is equals to first, and temp is first is equals to first and next. Here you can also see another condition when the second data is less than first data, so that the temp of next is equals to second, and then the temp is equals to second, and second is equals to second next. And here's the condition of first is not equals to null, so that temp is equals to first, and temp is equals to first, and first equals to next, first to next. And second is also null, that's the temp of next equals to second, temp is equals to second, second is equals to second and next. And in last you can return the new node of next. And here you can also create the print void print method also, where the print method is taking the temp of head, temp node which stores the head, and the temp is null, so that we can print the temp data, and then we can create, and we can initialize which is say into the while loop, which is equals to temp is equals to temp next. And then we can bring the SAUT, and after that we can create the linked list object which give also create, which is helpful for creating the linked list. And then we can print the linked list after the after uh, not after, before the, you can write before the merge sorting. And here you can write the after the merge sort. Here you can see the linked list is print, and then we can call the merge sorted linked list, not merge sorted linked list. We can merge sort linked list, we can call the merge sort, and then we can print the after the merge sort linked list. So this is the whole call of the explanation. So you can see this whole code and save this code, and this code easily we can easily want to explain for to better understanding. So please see this approach and put all of code. So thank you all of you for to giving a support. So please like and share my video, and to subscribe my channel. Thank you all of you.